we're going through into the lounge. So this is the second part of the video. My phone died. So into the lounge, which is our good size. That was it at the fireplace. We've knocked down the fireplace and created a good height. And we're going to have a chimney in here, which will give us the heat in the winter. Because in the winter, although it stays at 18 degrees, it can still be cold. So us Scots feel the cold. So we're going to have a log burner in the lounge and one in our dressing room. So we'll have heat right through. There's the original bread oven. So we're going to keep that as a nice feature. In this area, it'll look like an ingle nook. And great features in here too. I'll give you an idea. Mark, could you step out the way and I'll give them a wee idea. If you can just see right all the way through, that'll give you an idea of the length of the cave. Now in there where Mark's standing, I'm just going to, is the dining room. The dining room's got a nice feature in here with 2 archways. So that'll create a nice wee ambience in the dining room. A nice table and chairs in there. So that'll be really nice. We're going to make that a bedroom, but we've decided it. We're just going to make it the dining room. Now straight ahead, looking out there, we'll get the light right through. This is going to be like the study, a wee snug area here. Opened up the windows here, so we've got a wee desk and wee chairs in here. Just for to sit. And there's a nice wee feature there right through, which looks through. I don't know what we're going to make that, but it looks as if it's got to be like a wee sort of bodega or something like that. And there gives you an idea of the size of the openings, which is 7 feet. As I say, we've got nice doors, but we'll have to get new doors. And this was all opened up, so they've knocked through here, knocked right through here. And nice wee features in here. This is still to be all chipped away. You can see it's white where the rest of the cave is been chipped away. So that's still to be all chipped away. This is the passageway through the kitchen. And Mark wanted to get a sort of curve as you're walking through, which they've done, which is great. And sort of cathedral style opening. And this takes us into the kitchen. And I've already showed you the kitchen, which is fab. So there you go, that's 8 days work they've done. So I'm intrigued to see what it's going to be like when we come down next weekend. Okay? Thanks for having a wee look at it. We'll keep you updated. Bye.